Hi, we hope you're having a great day. Welcome to All Glass Cleaning's online estimate form. We'll explain here how to get your very own accurate estimate. Now we want to make this process easy for you, saving time and money. So please note that this is the same tool we would use if we were to come out to your home and give a quote in person. So if you follow these quick steps and put in all the correct information, you'll receive a really accurate estimate. Please enter the general information of your property, and then there are 12 different window types that we price on. Be sure to count each panel and not just windows. A panel is defined as any boarded piece of glass that has a frame around it. Here, highlighted in yellow, we have what we refer to as 8 regular panels. Yes, they differ slightly in size but take a very similar amount of time to clean. Here we have one of our friendly technicians about to clean some sliding door or 3 large panels highlighted in blue. So as an example, highlighted in yellow here, we have 3 regular panels, and then highlighted in blue are 2 large panels, as they're a very similar size to a sliding door panel. The panel of glass you see here, because it's twice the size or even bigger than that of a sliding door, we refer to it as an extra large panel. Here we have 2 opaque or frosted panels, which are very typical of bathroom or toilet windows. Yes, we not only clean fly screens, but we'll also apply an eco-friendly formula with UV inhibitors and dust repellents that's called Screen Magic. It'll make your screens look like new. Please count your sliding door fly screens separately, as they can sometimes be rather tricky to clean and take a little more time than regular fly screens. Glass balustrades are very common in Australian businesses and households. We can make these absolutely sparkle for you. Please count each balustrade as a separate panel. But please count your pool fence panels differently, as they tend to be far dirtier and require some sort of agitation and a little elbow grease. Colonial or French windows can be quite tricky for the average person to clean and get great results. We can handle this for you, but please make sure to count each individual panel. Similarly, louvers can also be a little tricky to clean. Please make sure to count each individual louver you have. We're also more than happy to clean your internal windows or internal mirrors, usually found in bathrooms. And do you have any of those hard to reach skylights? Please leave it to us, the experts. We'd love to help you. Now that you're familiar with all the panel and window types, you can add the counts accordingly. Please submit all your general information, and if you'd like to receive an estimate via email, please select yes at the steps shown here. From here, you'll be given an option of choosing from 3 packages we offer to you. Simply click on the package that suits or click on schedule, and we'll be in contact ASAP to book an appointment for a time that suits you. From all of us at All Glass Cleaning, thank you so much. We look forward to providing a great service to you.